47, okay? Lesson 47 is on simplifying mixed measures, okay? For example, it says John is 5 feet 4 inches tall. This is John. John is 5 feet 4 inches tall. The question is, how many inches tall is John? Okay, what's my problem? What's wrong? Yes.
Well, we have feet and inches.
And inches, okay, which doesn't really help us out because we want to know how many inches tall he is. Okay, so Levi, what do I need to know? Don't answer it. What do I need to know first? Yes.
How, what you needed,
Yes.
5 times 12.
Okay.
I know.
Okay. Yes, you're doing it, but I want you to tell me how.
You have to know, how many inches are in a foot.
Very good, and I like this little thing that you got out there. Okay. So, how many inches are in a foot?
12.
12. Okay. So it's very important that we know that information. Thank you, Sarah Kate. 12 inches equals 1 foot, right? Okay.
How do you convert it to inches?
So, watch what happens.
I know what the answer is.
Just a minute, Levi. Remember, Levi?
Divided by.
Raise your hand. Okay? So if I have 12 inches equals 1 foot, watch what I'm doing, Sarah. 2 feet would be how many inches?
24.
Okay?
So you're going to divide it?
No, keep watching. 3 feet would be how many inches?
48.
Almost.
36.
36. 4 feet would be how many inches?
48.
48. 5 feet would have be how
60.
many? Huh?
60.
60. Very good. So, watch what happens. Basically, what I'm doing is 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, which is really
12 times 5.
12 times 5. See what happened? Okay, so 12 inches times the 5 feet, okay? So how many inches is that?
60.
60. We discovered that. Okay, so now listen to the story. 5 feet is really 60 inches. So he's 60 inches plus 4 inches tall.
64 inches.
So he is 64 inches. Got it? Yes.
When I times it, I did 2 times 5, which equals 10, and I brought up the 1.
Yep, and then 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6.
Oh, I did
Okay.
adding too.
Okay. Do you understand what you're doing though?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's do another one. Okay. Thomas ran, listen to this, 1/4 mile in 1 minute, 15 seconds. This is how long he ran. What was his time in seconds? What is his time in seconds? Okay, now, what's the most important information that we need to know? Yes?
Oh, I didn't raise my hand. I was just about to put it
You
down.
weren't raising your hand.
I was about to put it down. I was going to say
Okay,
you.
Sarah Kate?
What?
What's something I need to understand in this? It's asking me what?
How many, seconds?
Seconds, okay. And what do I have up here?
15 seconds.
Minutes and seconds.
So we need to
So,
convert minutes to
I know-
seconds.
So,
So
how many
60
seconds are there in a minute?
60.
Okay, so 60 seconds equals 1 minute.
And then
Okay, and this one happens to be just 1 minute, so we can quickly convert it. 1 minute is how many seconds?
60.
60 seconds. So we have 60 seconds plus another 15 seconds. So what is his total time?
75 seconds.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, very good. 75 seconds. Very good. All right, yes.
Could you still time that, or?
Nothing to times because there was only 1 minute. If it had 5 minutes, then we would need to multiply 60 times 5.
My old Run and Staff book, it had at the very back, it had all what quarters are converted to, all that stuff,
that's good.
inches and
Yeah.
meters and stuff.
That's good
And
to know.
it had all the stuff, so if you needed help, you could look
You
back.
can look back.
But it's right here.
Okay, Ready? Listen to this one. The melon, this is the last one we're going to do. The melon weighed 3 pounds. This LBS means pounds, okay?
I always think it.
3 pounds, 8 ounces. And I'm going to put my Z like that so we don't think it's a 2. 3 pounds, 8 ounces. The melon weighed 3 pounds and 8 ounces. How many ounces did the melon weigh? Now, this is one you just don't automatically know. Does anybody know how many ounces are in a pound?
16.
Very good. So write that down. You probably ought to write that down. 16 ounces equals 1 pound. 1 pound. Okay? So, we want to know how many ounces. That's what we want to know. How many ounces? Okay? So, 3 pounds, 1 pound equals 16 ounces.
Oh.
So what am I going to do to answer this?
What was the question?
How many ounces does it weigh? Okay, we know that it weighs 3 pounds and 8 ounces. What am I going to do?
3 times 8?
48.
No, 3 times
48.
16.
3 times 16. Why?
Because there's 16 ounces in 1 pound.
Yes.
And there's 3 pounds. And we
Yes.
know how many ounces.
So I want to do 16 ounces times 3. Or I could do it, if it makes it easier to y'all's heads, to do 2 pounds and add 16 more. And then 3 pounds and add 16 more.
I just do
It's
it.
full.
Okay? It depends on how you want to do it. I like doing it like
48.
this.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, 40.
So 6 times 3 is 18.
48.
48.
You should not be talking unless you've raised your hand. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 48. So how many ounces is there?
48.
48. Very good. All right. That is lesson 46.